Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve Purvanchal University question for 2019. And guys, this is frequently coming question in exam, so please watch the complete video even skipping a single second. So you can understand each and every concept of the program. I will write line by line code and explain line to line. So you can understand everything, and at end of video if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to ask the question. I will go through all your comments and definitely reply you out. Even if you have other programming question and you want solution for that, don't forget to post your question in comment section, guys. And if you want to talk me directly, you can find all the social media network link in the video description. Please go through that. Even I am going to provide this tutorial code on the website of DeepCodeGuru, and soon the link will be updated in the video description, so you can directly go there and copy the code and complete your work. Okay guys, so let me come to the question. Write a program to generate Fibonacci series up to n terms. So I hope you know the Fibonacci series. If you don't know, don't worry, I am here to explain you. And after giving the basic of Fibonacci series, I will write the complete code by explaining line to line. So Fibonacci series is mostly start from 0, 0, and then it goes 1, and it is sum of the first, not first two, sum of previous two elements. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is how much? How much guys? 13 plus 8, 21, right? So like that this series will go. So I hope you got it, what is Fibonacci series. And it is asking up to nth term. So how you decide what is the nth term? Better to take user input and complete the task. Okay, so let me do it very easily so you can understand everything. Int n. So I will know by taking user input what is the nth term up to what, and the initial first value is, let me take 0, and the second is 1. Okay, and what I have to do, some temporary I can also take, but let me take one counter I, so I can run the loop and I can go to up to n. Okay, and what else I can do, let me do it, and later on based on required we will do. So I am printing it on the console. Enter the n terms for Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. Okay, so it is just output on the screen, but how to take input? Using scanf. Yes, right, you are right. Scanf percentile d comma ampersand what yeah, right, can use yeah. Oh sorry, outside we can use n. And let me print the first two element. Print of even like one element, two elements, so I am considering those elements is greater than 2, so the program will be easy for you, right? So the Fibonacci series up to percentile d, sorry, percentile d terms is x less n. Okay, and what is percentile d up to n is n. Okay, so this I am printing, and what are the element? First two element is percentile d, okay, and what, a comma b. So first two element is done. Okay, and for I equal to 2, I is less than how much? Make it not 2, it is okay, 2 element is already. I is less than equal to how much? N I plus plus. Okay, and in that what we are going to do? We are going to print of percentile D. I am giving a space at beginning because already you can see this element has no space after that, so I am giving at beginning, so it will give one space before printing this element A plus B. Okay, so this is element, and now I have to exchange the value. What value I have to do? A value I have assigned with, I have to assign with B, and B value I have to assign with the new value. What is the new value? New value is A plus B. Okay, so this is all about this program. Let me run it and show you is it really working or not. Okay, so let me give some 10. Okay, so I will go up, I will give 10, so up to 10 series. So you can see the Fibonacci series up to 10th term is 0 1 1 3 6 12 24. Okay, something mistake is there. You can see 1 plus 3 is 6, no 6. This is 1 1 plus 1 is 3. So here is something mistake. So let me check it out and fix it. Okay, so this is okay. What we are doing? A value we are assigning with B, and B value what we are assigning with? A plus B. Okay, so here we are doing a little mistake. So we have to first take T. Okay, because swapping we are doing not swapping. Okay, wait, let me find it. Okay, so let's check what is the mistake here. So what we are doing? A equal to B. So here, okay. So what mistake we are doing? We are adding B plus B in B. So actually for that I have to take, I am unable to preserve the A value. Okay, initially value of A. So for that I have to take one temporary variable like T, and I can do like before assigning to A, I can store A value at T, and then after A equal to A plus B, and then after I will do B equal to T plus B. So now the program will work fine. Let me run it and show you. The Fibonacci series up to 10. Okay, so how much it is coming? 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 55. You can see it is correct. Now coming to up to 20. So you can see. So now this is perfect and done with programming. If you have any doubt related to this programming or any other programming in C, please don't hesitate to ask your question in comment section. I will be always there to help you out and explain you each and every program. And I again repeat, this all code I am going to provide on the Deep Code Guru website, and soon that link will be available on video description, so you can visit and get the code of this tutorial. Please consider to share this video with other learner, as well as don't forget to give thumbs up to the video, post your valuable comment in comment section, and if you really like my content, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy learning.